Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I'm doing a coin hunt today, which is a world coin hunt, which I've designated coin hunt number 33. The first coin of this coin hunt is an Italian 100 lira from 1977. On the obverse here we have the lady's portrait and a country and the country's name. On the rear we have Minerva, an olive tree. You also get the value of 100 lira and the year of the coin. It was minted. So this 1977 100 lira has a mintage of 253,980,000. The next coin depicts Franco on the front of it, along with the country of Spain and the year, which was 1957. Now with these coins, on the rear of them you have the 5 pesetas, which is the value above the coat of arms. You also have a star, and the star on this coin is placed just there. Now this star has the true year of mintage, and with this particular coin the star has 67 inside it, so it is a 1967 coin, minted coin, and the mintage for 1967 was 30 million coins. The next coin is a handover coin from Beatrix to Juliana to Beatrix. So it has the twin portraits of them, and this was the handover was on the 30th of April 1980. This coin is from 1980. It's classed as a commemorative coin. You have the obverse here, which shows both the obverse, which shows both Juliana and Beatrix, and on the reverse you have the crown shield with the griffin standing, being up, the griffin standing. Oh. And the value for this coin, sorry, not the value, the mintage for this coin is 30,500,000. The next coin in this one is one from Argentina. No, it's not, it's from Brazil. What was I thinking? I'm misreading my notes there. This one's from Brazil. Oh, there you go, that's the way around. It's from Brazil. It has a portrait on the obverse here of Manuel, who was the first president of Brazil. Between 1827 and 1892 was the time that he was alive. So it's Manuel de Padro, which is D-E-O-D-O-R-O. And as I said, he was his lifetime was 1827 to 1892. On the reverse of this coin we have the 25 centavos. So you have the value, you have the stripes in the background and the banner. The mintage for this coin was relatively high, in fact excessively high, at 269,031,000. Now this is the reason I was getting mixed up. This next coin is 10 centavos. It's from 2011 and it's from Argentina. That's why I was getting a little mixed up. I misread the right ones. On this side you have the coat of arms of Argentina and you have the coin value. This 2011 coin has a mintage of 142 million. This next one was a very highly minted coin. It's got a common mintage. In other words, there's no actual numbers given to it, but it's quite a heavily manufactured and used coin. It's from Russia. It's 20 kopecks from 1961. It has the Russian coat of arms with the CCCP underneath. And then on the obverse you have the value, the year and the wheat ears. There's no mintage for this coin. As I say, it's a common mintage. The next coin is that one there, which is a Greek coin, the 5 drachma coin. It has Aristotle on the front there. There is the year and the value is on the back. However, there is no mintage figures available for this coin. This is the coat of arms of the Bahamas. It's a 1 cent coin from 2015. On there you have the coat of arms, you have the name of the country, and you also have the year. On the reverse you have a value of 1 cent and the starfish. There is no mintage for this coin. It's a common minted coin. The next coin is a 1 cent coin from Malaysia, and that's SEN, Sen, from 1993. On this side you have the hibiscus flower, and on the reverse of this 1993 coin you have a tribal drum. Now this tribal drum is known as a Rebana Ubi drum. That's Rebana is R-E-B-A-N-A and Ubi is U-B-I. The mintage for this 1993 1 cent is 153,805,875. This next coin is a little bit rough. It is a Norwegian coin. It has the crown. It has the crown of Norway. On the reverse here you have the value in the country. I was unable to find the mintage for this coin because I was unable to decipher the year. The year, as you can see, is underneath all this crud that I can't get off. That's the coin. I then go to Malta. We have a helmeted lady, the country and the year on this side, and the lady's name is the Queen of the Amazon, and it's Penthesilea. That's Penthesilea. Now I do apologise if I've butchered that name, but it's not something I come across on a regular basis. On the back is just the value in a laurel. The mintage for this coin is 6,000,001. Start again, Steve. The mintage is 6,105,000. It's a nice coin, that one. I quite like that one. Then we have a 10 cent coin. It's one of the smaller coins on this coin hunt. It's a 10 cent coin from Juliana for the Netherlands. It's from 1951, and you have the year, the value and the crown. The mintage, which is on the rear here. So the year, and then you have the crown above the mintage value, above the value, and you have the year below that. The mintage figure for this 1951 coin is 54,200,000. The next one has a crowned monogram of a bee, and a year of 1967. It comes from Belgium and it's a 25 cent. Now, I believe that this is the French one, and if it is, the French mintage is 6,820,000. If it is the Dutch version, it will be 7,720,000. So those are the two different mintage for that coin. Next, we go to Belgium for a 50-cent coin. There we go, go to Belgium. We have a kneeling lady and the country's name on this side. It's a 50 cents from 1926. On the reverse we have the 50 cents, we have the year, the value, and we have, in the running through the centre of it, we have the medical symbol, which is a snake twisting round a staff. Now, in 1926 was what we thought was the one, but there was no mintage for that year that we can find. So I'm wondering, it's definitely 1926. So I couldn't find a mintage for this coin. I did find one for both 27 and 28, but I couldn't find one for 26. So I'm a little bit unsure on that one. The next coins that we have are two of the same, and a 10 Barney from Romania. One is from 2014 and one is from 2016. You have the coat of arms, the year and the country on the one side of it, which is this one. And then on this one you just have the value of 10 Barney. The 2014 coin, there are no mintage figures available. Also for the 2016 coin, the only one I could find were proof sort of mintages, so I don't believe these are proof coins, so I couldn't find the mintage. The next one is Russia. We have the Russian eagle. Is that a double-headed eagle? Yep, a double-headed eagle. This is a 1 ruble coin from 1998, and on the reverse you have a value and the vine with a flower. There is no mintage figures because this is such a common coin. No, Russia don't tend to release the mintage figures. The next one is 5 Fargot. It's Israeli coin. I can't find any mintage figures for this coin. We have a coin here from Japan. Again, we can't find the mintage. It's a 1 yen coin. There's no mintage figures available. I couldn't decipher, before I made this video, I couldn't decipher the actual date of release of that coin either. And the final coin is from France. We have Marianne on the front, and on the reverse we have the value of 10 centimes with the wheat leaves, wheat ears, etc. The 1978 French coin has a mintage of 154,308,000. Start again, Steve. 154,384,011. So I've now finished the hunt for this particular hunt, and the coins have been bagged again, ready for me to flip and put into my collection, and also to load up to New Mister. If you've enjoyed this hunt, could you think about giving me the thumbs up? And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please subscribe? I'm trying to grow my channel this year, and also with you subscribing and giving the thumbs up, should you choose to do so, then that will help the algorithm, that will put me in front of people who've never seen my work before. So, for you having a coin hunt, for those of you having a coin hunt, I hope you can get the coins you want from the hunt. If you are buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. In the meantime, thank you for watching the video, and until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not far into the distant future, from me, thank you very much, and bye bye for now. Ta-da!